Being a registered taxpayer, you received show cause notice from GST department which you replied properly. But even after you have properly replied of the show cause notice, GST department will not consider your reply and issue a unfavorable order against you imposing tax, interest or penalty. What will you do? You have two options. Either you have to file appeal under section 107 of the CGSTX 2017. Otherwise, second option is, and most choosing option by mostly taxpayer, going to writ jurisdiction under article 226 by High Court. So number of cases where taxpayer goes even after the appeal remedy is available under section 107, they are going to writ jurisdiction under article 226 of the Constitution of India. If you are going to appeal under section 107, you have to deposit 10% of the disputed amount subject to 40 crore rupee limit. There is a cap of 40 crore rupees which is applicable from 1st November 2024. But if you are going to writ jurisdiction, no such amount of 10% or 40 crore limit is applicable. You have to bear only lawyer expenses and high court initial expenses. So this is very cheaper method to fight with unfavorable orders from GST department. Some high courts accepting this practice, but some high courts questioning this practice because some high courts already argued on this point. While you have appeal jurisdiction under section 107 of the CGST Act 2017, why are you coming with writ petition under article 226 of the Constitution of India? There is a remarkable change in this concept, and many of the taxpayers are going to writ jurisdiction. Jharkhand High Court, in just like a casely named Sur Sarita Vanijya Private Limited, Jharkhand High Court has commented that if you are coming to the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India with writ jurisdiction, you have to prove 4 counts before the High Court so that High Court can consider your writ petition. Number 1, if there is violation of basic rights, fundamental rights. Number 2, violation of principle of natural justice. Number 3, if you are challenging voice of law, any article, any provision of the GST Act, you are challenging any notification, any circular or the order on any ground. And number 4, exceeding jurisdiction. If you are proving these 4 grounds before the High Courts or even a single one of the ground before the High Court, then High Court can allow your writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Even you have appeal remedy available under section 107 of the CGST Act. So next time, if GST department ignore your reply against show cause notice and impose you with heavy cost, heavy tax interest penalty by serving a serving upon you a unfavorable order, you have to consider that out of four these items, you have to fulfill either one, two, or all four this item. Then you will be allowed by the High Court to go in writ jurisdiction rather than appeal under Section 107 of the CGST Act. So, this type of technical and updation in GST and income tax, please subscribe GSTG. Thank you.